In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online. Automatic matching is a built-in feature that helps you keep your books clean and accurate by pairing bank or credit card transactions that download into QuickBooks with the entries you've already recorded, like invoices you've received payment for, bill payments, expenses, or transfers. The best part is, it's already turned on, so there's nothing to set up before you start. Begin by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company and heading to the left-hand navigation. Click Transactions, then open the Bank Transactions tab. This is the hub for your connected bank and credit card feeds. You'll see a list of items waiting for your review, pulled straight from your bank. QuickBooks scans these and looks for exact or near-exact matches to what you've already entered. When QuickBooks finds a likely match, you'll see a match option on that line. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to review the details. Check that the bank account at the top is the correct one, and make sure the date, amount, and payee align with the existing record in your books. This simple glance helps you avoid linking the wrong items, especially if you have similar transactions around the same time. If everything looks right, click Match. That's it. QuickBooks will automatically connect the downloaded transaction to the existing one, mark it as reviewed, and move it out of your For Review list. Behind the scenes, this keeps your registers tidy and your reports accurate, and it also makes monthly reconciliation faster because those transactions already have a clear paper trail. A few quick tips as you work through the list. Automatic matching typically works best when the amounts are identical and the dates are close. If the details don't align or something feels off, you can simply skip that item for now and come back later. It's better to be certain than to rush through and clean things up afterward. Also, remember that clicking Match doesn't create a new transaction. It links the bank feed item to one you've already recorded, preventing duplicates in your books. To recap the flow, open Transactions, go to the Bank Transactions tab, look through your For Review list, and when you see a suggested match that clearly lines up, click Match to confirm. QuickBooks handles the rest automatically, and that's all there is to it. With automatic matching, you're just a click away from keeping your financial data organized, reliable, and ready for reporting.